Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture in Messenger from your PC. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Facebook application or go to Facebook website from your browser. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. There on the top left corner you can see your profile icon. Click to it. Then it will redirect you to your profile page. There in the profile section you can see this camera button. Click on it, then click to upload. Then from your PC you can navigate a picture and select the picture for your. Once you have selected a new profile picture, click to open. Click to save. Then your new profile picture will be updated. And in Messenger, the same profile picture will be updated. This is how you can change your profile picture in Messenger from your PC. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.